How to achieve your natural glow. Hi guys, my name is Georgina, and in today's episode I'm going to share with you 5 secrets of how to achieve your natural glow using organically occurring products. Cleanse gently with naturally occurring cleansers. Swap those synthetic cleansers and go for naturally occurring cleansers, because the natural cleansers do not strip the skin of its natural oils. Example of organic cleansers is turmeric soap. Turmeric soap has a brightening effect on the skin, which means it will cleanse and brighten it at the same time. You can also go for honey. Honey has antioxidants that cleanses the skin very nicely. You can make a face mask of honey, aloe vera gel, and an oil such as almond oil, jojoba oil, or coconut oil, and apply it on the face. This one will nicely cleanse your face and not strip it of its natural oils. Exfoliate using organic exfoliants. Regular exfoliation not only removes dead skin cells but also lightens your complexion. Swap harsh chemical exfoliants and replace them with simple DIY scrubs. Use organic face mask. Unlike chemically formulated face masks, organic face masks have concentrated dose of nutrients that nourish the skin. An example of organic face mask is honey mask or avocado masks, or even many more. Moisturize using plant-based oils and butters. Some of the plant-based oils is jojoba oil, almond oil, coconut oil, almond oil, and many other oils which naturally moisturize the skin, giving it that natural glow. You can also use butters. Some of the organically occurring butters is mango butter, shea butter, cocoa butter. These also provide a very nice skin barrier that richly moisturizes the skin. Last but not least, eat healthy. A healthy diet is equals to a healthy skin. Focus on consuming your vegetables, consuming your fruits, consuming whole foods, and hydrating. Drink enough amounts of water. Drinking enough water richly hydrates the skin from inside out, giving it its natural glow and making it feel supple and smooth. To get the products mentioned in the video, you can contact the number down on the screen, or you can click the link on my bio and you'll get to get them. Thank you so much for watching, and before you leave, kindly subscribe, like, and share to get more videos like this.